Okay, I believe I can start. Hello everyone. Hello, Mr. Slate Today's Work. Hello, Z Gamer. Okay, so I will play the game as it is right now with the mods I have. There's quite a few. And I wonder if the server will start it's acting really weird. Yeah, it is messed up. Yeah. I know. So yeah, as you can see, we have quite a few mods. And I'm curious. Yeah, these mods shouldn't be there. I need to remove the IDs from the server. The new... Supposedly the damn library was updated, but I don't know. So we'll see. How is your day, sir? How's your day's Slate Today's Work? OZ Gamer? But everything is messed up in build 42, and to be frank, it's a nightmare. It's worse than starting over. Starting from scratch on build 41. They changed a lot of API. Yeah, I've heard some other things, and didn't give a lot of... Yeah, I saw the documents that they posted on the forums on IndieStone and Project Zomboid. I don't know, but yeah, I saw the documents. That doesn't tell me anything actually. I have no idea what the stuff means. Okay, at least we didn't get a crash right away, so the best will be starting Echo Creek, because the last time it was broken. Yeah, all these don't work, but can use that. This will be admin account, so I don't really care. Oh, kill your character? Oh, that sucks. Do you have the backup, maybe? Their favorite trait? Which one is that? Okay, please don't crash. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. Wakeful. I have a familiar thing. The blue circle of death. Wakeful. I never used that. And yeah, okay. Right away, we're getting errors. 4. I'm guessing that... Jeez, come on, game. That might be because of the Raven Creek. I believe that's the issue. Now, I spawned in Echo Creek. And okay, we do have zombies now. Yesterday, we didn't have zombies. One of the mod was causing issues. What I'm curious about now is... and they changed the debug. Well, the admin stuff. I hate it now. It's so bad. At least this kind of works as it used to. Okay, let's see. Military. So, oh, is that a thing? The backpacks are here, balaclavas are here, military boots, desert. Let's give me my favorite boots. Are they? Yeah, okay. So the cat eye or cat edge mod is working. At least it's displaying and it's nice. Now, one pretty important thing. Spawn vehicle. Oh my god, please do work. Okay, it spawns, but the question is... Okay, so it's not working. So it's not work. I mean, it is kinda, but... it's not closing the door, just like yesterday, so I don't know. What if I press like that? What if I close it? Okay, I can lock the door. Exit vehicle. I wonder why there is no closed door. You cannot lock the door. I mean, I'm going to leave the mods like they are now. The Pete wagon doesn't work. How about this? Hey, they're probably all like that. The doors are not closing, and I don't see the update. So what I'm going to do now, at least the cat eye mod is working, and we still have Raven Creek. So let me quickly install OZ Gamers custom vending machines mod. I just need the IDs. Workshop. Custom vending machines. So it's version 1.0.31. Mr. OZ Gamer, is that the thing? Okay, so let me add that to the config file, and we'll have to restart the server again. But actually, that's okay, the server is restarting, so we should be there pretty soon. Hopefully. Bonjour, little girl. Sadly, damn lip wasn't fixed. I thought it was fixed, but it doesn't work. At least I haven't found any fixed mods. Okay, actually, give me a second here. I'm going to close the door because Magda is talking over the phone. Okay, I'm back. The server is restarting. Let's go to the menu and we'll see if Mr. OZ Gamers the mod will work. Last time, that actually the very first day when I wiped Grizzly's, not Grizzly, was the outbreak. That was the custom vending machines was like the first mod I installed, and it worked even with the common sense, which is known to cause a lot of errors. How are we doing? It's still restarting. Jeez. I mean, I guess that's a thing, right? If you have a lot of mods, you have to wait. Do you want to see the dashboard? Probably not. Yeah, let's try connecting. Oh, but Mr. OZ Gamer, when it worked, when your mod worked, I noticed one thing. I don't know what was the cause. When I used the computer, or when I used the PC, the buttons to do stuff, they were actually a little bit not obstructed. They were barely visible at first because of the background color. So afraid to respond. I guess we are still waiting. Let me refresh the page. Failed. Oh. Actually, the server is down. It's red. It's not even restarting. Let me... Maybe I did something wrong. Maybe I made a... Jeez. Okay, let's remove that. Just in case. Here, everything looks fine. They changed how you add mods in the config file. So I guess we wait for the server again. Okay, there might be a small issue with the mic connection, but it's okay now. It should be fine. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. So server is not responding. It's not well, it kind of is restarting, but it's not at the same time. I don't know what's going on. Mr. Rosie Gamer hacked the server. No, I probably just made a typo or something. I mean, I made a typo. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Is it on? It's still restarting. Jeez. Okay, it says if the server hangs here, set UPnP to false. Okay, I got some errors, but it should be online now. Are you online? No, not yet. But soon. Hello, Coded Gaming. Welcome to hell of setting up the server on Build 42 Multiplayer. Okay, so it didn't change the I wonder when they will introduce next patch. Are they going to do it? Every time I see red text in the console of the server. Oh, there we go. Ah, yay! We're loading in. Oh, you've been here for... I'm sorry. Yeah, you were like 9. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just watching stuff here. Okay, so the cars are here. The cars... Oh, actually, it closed the door after the restart. And now I cannot open them. Okay, so the damn leaf doesn't work at all. I don't think you are, but let me see. Outbreak 42. Yes, you are. 66 hours. Do you want to see? Actually, there's quite a few people playing there. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, look. There you are. 66 hours, 16 minutes. Yep. Yeah, I am focused. But that's rude. But okay. Let's see if Mr. Ozzy Gamer's mod is working. So the best place to test it would be here, I guess. First of all, let's see if the vending machines work. Cannot afford box. Yeah, okay, so it gives me the stuff here. I need money. I need monies. Okay, so I can buy chips. Well, they are not here. Yeah, Raven Creek is there, and it's there. They get the... Yeah, I get the plain chips. But it seems like I can't take anything. I wonder why. Okay, I can drop stuff. Can I pick stuff? Okay, I can pick that. Grab. Yeah, it seems, Mr. Rosagamer, it seems like I can't pick up stuff from the vending machines. And actually, I could do that. But I'm using some other mods as well, which may cause the issues. Like, for example, I can't. Okay, I cannot log into the PC as well, but maybe there is no power. Hard to tell if it's so bright. Well, there should be power since the machines are working. But I can't log into the PC. Log in to vending. Well, the options are there. Turn that off. Yeah, it's giving me errors. I don't know what errors. Let me take a look at the console. Maybe that will help. You know what? I'm going to remove one mod, the gun mod, because that's what gave me the error. So, and it's crappy. The console says that there is are missing models, missing meshes. Okay, so here we go. Save config and restart. And let's hope this will fix the issue with with Mr. Ozzy Gamers mod. Oh, it was called Guile something. It was called Guile Gun Store. Yesterday it worked, but the gun was looking weird. Maybe it was just that gun. But the only gun mod that I care about is the firearms something, which was really good. I mean, some basic stuff like Mossberg's, Glock, M14 and M16A and all that stuff. That's all I need. Oh, and I like, for the melee, I like the tools of trade. So yeah, instead of playing a game, I'm doing this stuff. But it's for science, right? Just waiting for Breeders to update. I never used that mod. Well, actually, Mr. Rosy Gamer, I was wondering because I understand a little bit how the stuff works when it comes to the server mods, to the multiplayer mods. Like there's like a part for the client, and there's part that is shared, and there's part that is done on the server. So I'm guessing, and actually I was wondering about that, how the game would do changing the prices. Who would change the price? Well, not the price. Who would order new items? Because people will be changing the items to their needs, and basically that would ramp up bump up the price for everything. And so it would have to be like per client, I guess. That, yeah, track per player, exactly. Also, I was thinking that for the multiplayer and actually for single player as well, it would be nice to have the option to set your prices, like the increments of the price and the basic price for everything. Computer context is in client. Okay. Yet the stuff inside the machines, the loot, I wonder if you can make the loot per player. That's probably some heavy coding. Because everyone will, or maybe it also can be set per player actually, but that would break all vending machines in the game. Well, maybe not break, because you're overwriting them anyway, so they don't work as vanilla ones anyways. So maybe that makes sense. Sorry, I'm just thinking out loud. Can I get a connection, please? Oh, joining the game, awesome. But that is the hard work. Basically, yeah, 36 hours. When I first launched the game with mods, I got like 800. It's pretty sure it's saved for the player's mod data. Okay, I mean, I have no idea how to make a mod myself. I did one, I made one, but it broke the game. So no, for me it doesn't work. And check the console again. Yeah, I don't see anything. Errors. This is old. Yeah, in different Berkeley, it's not refreshing the logs that fast, so I have to do it manually. You want to see the console? The logs? I don't know if you can. Oh, I cannot zoom in. Yeah, sorry, I cannot zoom in, but this is like the last entry. Server started. Steam client, blah blah blah. Constant loading wrong transition from sheer animal to sheer animal in file. So that's nothing about the mod itself. Okay, give me a login. Click. See what the admin says. Nothing. Now let me refresh that. Go to the end. Yeah, it's not doing anything in the console. It's not adding any new stuff. Mannequin missing zone. Maybe something earlier. This is pretty much usual thing. Duplicate textures. That's probably Raven Creek. Stack trace. Yeah, so it's not telling me anything about the mod itself. But it doesn't seem to be working anymore. Though the vending machines actually do work. Howdy, Mr. Warp. Mr. Warp, how exactly did them live? How did you manage to actually, can I open the door now? He's like, how you managed to close the door on KI5? So yeah, this thing works. I mean, this is doing stuff, except I can't take anything from the vending machine now. So yeah, and it's not throwing any errors. I would love to have the error magnifier. Okay, I'm back. So use V in the menu to close the door. There is no option to close the door unless in a vehicle. You can lock all doors, exit the vehicle. Open door. Close the door. Nope. Not in B. I think there's item specific code to add them to the server now. I mean, Mr. Aussie Gamer, don't worry about the multiplayer. Finish your mod for single player. Then we'll worry about the multiplayer. I guess, I mean, that's what I would do. Yeah, it's like, just can't lock the door. Sweet seats. There is no option to close the door, and I believe there never was. And actually, I was wondering why there is no way to lock the door. I mean, not the lock, close the door. The window works, I think. Oh, jeez. I need power. Get the key, repair the car. Nope, still, I mean, there is no option. Pressing V. Unlock all doors. Open the window. Okay, it doesn't work because it's upgraded. And actually, can I? Maybe it works in single player. That might be the thing, because I'm pretty sure that I saw. If I can only find it. Then lib. There's some kind of fix there, but it's for something else. Most popular ever. Yeah, there's the this thing here. This thing is kind of working, so I'm guessing it's this thingy. When you're in outside the green box, hit V. There's a closed door. Open door. Okay, I could open that, but it said open. But it's closing. Okay, so well, still doesn't make any sense. No, they're not working. I mean, they are there. You can drive the car and stuff like that, but there is this small issue of it. You can't lock the door. You, well, kind of can when you're outside. Yeah. And I can hear... I've heard... Yeah, it's messed up. I believe now the game thinks the door is closed. Because when I open the door now, can you hear the beeping sound? That means that the doors are open. So it's other way around. But the cars are there. It's a shame that this doesn't work. The last time I was able to pick up stuff from that. At least I think I was able to. But the Katai or Kataj or KATTAJ mod is working. I have the military boots on me, which is awesome. I've been using them in SP glitchy but usable and see. Yeah, okay. So yeah, it's probably a multiplayer thing, and let's hope KA5 the damn lip will be fixed soon, so we can have our cars back. So yeah, I will be missing you. I will be missing this car. Get the key. This is like my favorite car. Yeah, so the game thinks the doors are closed, but they are not. Well, visually they are not closed. So actually there's not much else I can do. I'm just happy that Kadash is working. Now, undead survivors, authentic Z, better satchels maybe. Oh, one mod is not working anymore, and that's the paper doll thingy. Or am I missing something? That's true. That's true, Kandachi. That might be true. But they changed a lot. Sadly, that means I have to, how do I, maybe I close it somehow. Well, where that would be. Oh, we have proximity inventory, auto mechanics. Awesome. That would be user UI. Well, I don't know. All I know, it's not there. No, they're not working. It's pretty much the same as it used to be. They work in single player. A bit, kind of. But MP is still not working. And I don't know, how about the... Where's the... train mechanics? Yeah, I don't think I'm doing anything. Let's see if I can uninstall that. Okay, I can uninstall and I can... and I can install the tire. So this is working, but the rest is not. So actually, Actually, I don't know what else I can do. I can try to remove the vending machines mod and see if that broke the paper doll interface. And let's check if I have that. Actually, maybe it's missing. You know what? I removed the Guile gun store mod and it's still there in the config file. So there's something wrong with saving the config file. Equipment UI, it's there. Okay, let's remove the mod again. Okay, let's check this. Sorry guys, I have to go for now because, well, there's nothing else I can do. I'm going to remove all the mods, do the hard wipe, and I'm going to slowly keep adding new mods. For what I can say right now, that the KI5 mods don't work. And well, you can spawn the cars, but there's an issue with the door. KATTAJ mod is working, which is really good. RV interiors is working with a fix, and Raven Creek kinda is there. I'm not sure, maybe there are some glitches. Auto mechanics mod is working. Modern status is working. Rune experience drop is working. Twitch stats do work as well. Common sense, yeah, but the rest is, for me, it's not working. So I believe I'm going to wipe the server and use only RV interiors, Raven Creek, Twitch stats, common sense, rune experience, proximity inventory, equipment UI, and pumps have propane 42 seems to be working as well. And cottage mods, cottage clothes. That's all I will use. I really want to play the game. I'm a little bit tired of testing this, so sorry. Yeah, Raven Creek is working. I mean, I've been there. There might be some glitches, but it should be fine. There's always a glitch. Anyways, you know what? I'm going to make a web page. I'm going to make a website where we will be able to make a list of working mods, so we can share the knowledge. Maybe. What do you think about that? I have no idea what legendary series mods are. Is that the name? Oh, these. Never heard of them. Yeah. Share the link. Actually, give me a second, because you won't be able to. Now you should be able to do it, so feel free. Unbalanced? Actually, I never heard of him. So, no, okay, so if they're unbalanced, I'm not going to use them on Grizzlies, because I want Grizzlies to be proper hardcore server with few quality of life mods like the rune drops and so on. Oh, Kendachi, okay, thank you. Clean hotbar, neat UI. Okay, I have that. Modern status. Actually, I can. Okay, I cannot edit that, but that's fine. Works but baggy. Federal Rangers Chimera. Oh, you did some heavy testing then. Proximity inventory is working, so you can check that. And I'm curious about water pipes as well. Common sense seems to be working, yeah. I have that's a mod that shows up on the screen, but I don't know what the hell it's doing. Raven Creek is working. Tiki Town. Oh, I would love to have that. This kind of works, but it gives me errors. Has been read. Do you need that actually? Oh, maybe you do. I'm not sure if this is the same mod because there seem to be quite a few. RV Enduros is working in multiplayer at least. Oh, that's a single player. Okay, thank you for sharing this. This will be oh, that's works on multiplayer. Okay. So they do work on single player, but it's not tested mostly in multiplayer. Okay. Thank you, Kendachi, for sharing this. This will be useful. Yeah. Okay, I'm signing off. I'm going to do the fresh wipe and start adding mods one by one, but maybe later. Today I want to play some games. So thank you all for watching. I hope this will be helpful to someone, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, see you soon. Bye.